This is the breathing practice for phase 1, finding awareness with breath. Lie with your knees bent and your feet hip distance from each other. Let the knees fall toward each other in a position called constructive rest. You want your body to be relaxed so your mind can soften. Tune your awareness inward to your breath. Feel it coming in and out through your nose. Notice its temperature and where you feel your breath moving your body, particularly your chest, belly, sides, and back. Notice this movement without judging it. Just be one with it and enjoy the sensations of breathing. Now imagine you are smelling something you genuinely enjoy. Breathe it in with pleasure. Exhale a sigh with the satisfaction of having smelled this wonderful aroma. Arthur Lesak calls this exchange pleasure smelling and pleasure sighing, to elicit wonderful relaxation in the body and mind while you explore the breath. Continue pleasure smelling and pleasure sighing as you attune with your breath. After 10 cycles, return to natural breathing.